push them closer to the brink of extinction. Understanding
The blue whale, a name that echoes with awe and wonder, conjuring images of a creature so colossal it dwarfs all others. Imagine an animal longer than a Boeing 737 with a heart the size of a small car. A creature whose tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant. This is the blue whale, the largest animal to have ever inhabited our planet, a testament to the sheer power and majesty of the natural world. These ocean giants, with their sleek torpedo-shaped bodies and mottled blue-grey skin, are a sight to behold. They roam the world's oceans, their immense size belying a gentle nature and a complex social structure. Their lives are a delicate balance of survival and wonder, a testament to the intricate web of life that connects us all. Yet, despite their size and strength, these gentle giants are not invincible. They face a multitude of threats, many of them human-induced, that push them closer to the brink of extinction. Understanding the blue whale, its life cycle, its behavior, and the threats it faces is paramount to ensuring its survival and preserving the delicate balance of our oceans. This is a journey into the world of the blue whale, a world of immense scale and quiet grace, a world that holds both beauty and fragility. It is a call to appreciate, to understand, and ultimately to protect these magnificent creatures that share our planet. The blue whale's size is awe-inspiring. Reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing over 200 tons, it surpasses even the largest dinosaur. Its heart, the size of a small car, pumps blood through arteries so wide a human could swim through them. Its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. Beneath this colossal exterior lies a creature of grace and efficiency. Its sleek, torpedo-shaped body is perfectly adapted for life in the water. Its mottled blue-grey skin provides camouflage in the ocean depths. One of its most fascinating features is its baleen plates. These plates act as a giant sieve, trapping krill while allowing water to escape. Despite their size, blue whales are surprisingly agile. They can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour and dive over 1,000 feet. Their bodies are marvels of evolutionary engineering, perfectly adapted to their environment.
Courtship displays to simply expressing excitement or playfulness.
The depths of the ocean are a symphony of sound, and blue whales are among the most vocal performers. These giants communicate through a complex language of moans, groans, and pulses, their calls echoing for miles through the water. These vocalizations, some as loud as a jet engine, are thought to play a crucial role in their social interactions, navigation, and mating rituals. Blue whales are not solitary creatures. They form loose social groups, often congregating in areas with abundant food sources. These groups can range in size from a few individuals to dozens of whales, and they may stay together for days, weeks, or even months. Their social interactions are complex and not fully understood. They have been observed engaging in a variety of behaviors, including breaching, spy hopping, and tail slapping. These behaviors are thought to serve a variety of purposes, from communication and courtship displays to simply expressing excitement or playfulness. The vast distances over which blue whales communicate, coupled with their complex vocalizations, suggest a level of social sophistication that we are only beginning to understand. Their songs echoing through the abyss are a poignant reminder of the hidden world beneath the waves, a world teeming with life and mystery.
Their long lifespans are testament to their resilience.
The life of a blue whale is an epic journey across vast oceanic expanses. Born into a world of water after a year-long gestation period, a blue whale calf emerges weighing several tons and measuring over 20 feet long. It relies on its mother's rich milk for sustenance, gaining an astonishing 200 pounds per day during its first year of life. As the calf grows, it learns the ways of the ocean from its mother, mimicking her feeding techniques and migration routes. These journeys often span thousands of miles, from the icy feeding grounds of the polar regions to the warmer waters of the tropics, where they breed and give birth. The life of a blue whale is not without its challenges. They must navigate vast distances, find sufficient food to sustain their immense size, and avoid predators like orcas, which sometimes target calves. Yet despite these challenges, blue whales whales can live for 80 to 90 years. Their long lifespans are testament to their resilience and adaptability. Their migrations are a spectacle of nature, a testament to their endurance and their connection to the rhythms of the ocean. They remind us that the ocean is not a vast, empty expanse, but a dynamic and interconnected ecosystem teeming with life and wonder.
Increasing use of gill nets and long lines which can stretch for miles.
Section 5. The shadow of extinction, threats to ocean giants. Despite their immense size and strength, blue whales are not immune to the threats posed by human activities. Their populations, once numbering in the hundreds of thousands, were decimated by commercial whaling in the 19th and 20th centuries. While whaling is now banned in most parts of the world, blue whales still face a multitude of threats that push them closer to the brink. Ship strikes are a major concern. With their immense size and slow swimming speeds, blue whales are vulnerable to collisions with large vessels, particularly in busy shipping lanes. These collisions can result in serious injuries or even death. Entanglement in fishing gear is another significant threat. Blue whales can become entangled in nets, lines, and other fishing gear, leading to injuries, drowning, or starvation. The increasing use of gill nets and long lines, which can stretch for miles, poses a significant risk to these animals. Habitat degradation driven by climate change, pollution, and ocean noise further threatens blue whale populations. These factors can disrupt their feeding grounds, alter their migration routes, and interfere with their ability to communicate and navigate. The survival of these gentle giants depends on our ability to mitigate these threats and create a safer, healthier ocean for them to thrive.
Efforts to establish marine protected areas where...
Section 6. Guardians of the deep conservation efforts and their impact. The plight of the blue whale has not gone unnoticed. Recognizing the urgent need for action, governments, conservation organizations, and individuals around the world have rallied to protect these magnificent creatures. The International Whaling Commission, or IWC, imposed a moratorium on commercial whaling in 1986, a landmark decision that has been instrumental in allowing blue whale populations to slowly recover. While some countries still engage in whaling for scientific or cultural reasons, the ban has significantly reduced the pressure on blue whale populations. Conservation organizations play a vital role in protecting blue whales. They conduct research to better understand their behavior, monitor their populations, work to mitigate threats such as ship strikes and entanglement, and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Efforts to establish marine protected areas where human activities are restricted or prohibited provide safe havens for blue whales and other marine life. These protected areas help to safeguard critical habitats, reduce the risk of ship strikes and entanglement, and promote the recovery of marine ecosystems. Section 7. Unveiling the mysteries, scientific breakthroughs, and discoveries. Our understanding of blue whales is constantly evolving as scientists continue to make groundbreaking discoveries about their biology, behavior, and the threats they face. Advances in tagging technology allow researchers to track the movements of blue whales across vast distances, providing valuable insights into their migration patterns, feeding habits, and social interactions. These tracking studies have revealed the incredible journeys these whales undertake, often traveling thousands of miles between their feeding and breeding grounds. Acoustic monitoring techniques using underwater microphones called hydrophones enable scientists to eavesdrop on the conversations of blue whales. These studies have revealed the complexity of their vocalizations, shedding light on their communication strategies, social structures, and the impact of human-generated noise on their behavior. Genetic analysis is providing new insights into the population structure of blue whales, helping researchers to identify distinct populations and understand their genetic diversity. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies that address the specific needs of different populations.
It is a reminder that we are all...
Section 8. A call to action securing the future of blue whales. The future of blue whales, like that of so many other species, hangs in the balance. Their